Overland trucks, how do you wire in all your accessories? I'm going to show you how. Here we have a 2016 G550, which we've done all the lights, the grill lights, Garmin power switch, and wired it for onboard air so you can plug in auxiliary stuff. Check it out. We have up front the Garmin power switch up on the dash. It's a pretty universal unit. It just mounts with a suction cup. Nothing too special there. But the key thing is, you're going to look around up top and you'll see that we have auxiliary lights in front. We've got two diode dynamics lights up on the front bull bar. These are really bright. They have a high and a low and a backlight setting as well. And then we've also got side mount scene lights. We've also got rear mount scene lights. Cool thing about these is they all can change colors. So if you come around here, you're gonna notice it's pretty easy. You can just kick everything on. Just as simple as that. And you start to get everything that works. So you can go around and you can see that we've got the tops all the way lit up. We've also activated the auxiliary power port in the side over here, which, you know, if you've got accessories like onboard air or fridges or stuff like that, we actually put an Anderson plug on the end of it, and we have a plug-in on the side of your seat. So it just plugs in nice and clean. Take a look at that. So some of the things to consider when you're doing an overland build, you're going to have electrical accessories and things you want to add to the truck. And no one really wants to have cords running everywhere. So that's one of those solutions. The other thing people ask is, where do you run the actual power switch? So if you take a look in there, I'll run around. We tend to hide most of our electronics in this fun little area here. So in here, we actually have the solid state relay for the Garmin power switch. And there's actually buttons on here as well if you actually want to hit it manually. But when we do this, we actually pull the carpet, we pull the side panels, we run everything through the side paneling, we run everything underneath the carpet through the actual trough so there's no chafing of wiring, and it's a long solution that's not going to come up for failure here in the future. So that's what it looks like. The Garmin power switch is a nice unit. I do like them. You've got a lot of nice functionalities with it, and it allows you to control everything wirelessly, effortlessly, and you can have multiple functions with it. So anyway, just want to show it to you. Joe Gocher, Alliance Auto Care. Get in touch. More than happy to get your truck squared away. Hit like and subscribe. Chat with you soon.